Welcome to week 7 of our 10-week Tide Changer Challenge. I'm Graham Starsage and I work at the Nicholas Sontag Marine Education Center. This week, we challenge you to reduce your carbon footprint. Currently, our atmospheric carbon is higher than at any point in the last 800,000 years. With more CO2 in the atmosphere, the Earth gets warmer, the ocean gets warmer, and more acidic. This makes it hard for animals like oysters and clams to grow their shells. The main cause of carbon dioxide level rise is the burning of fossil fuels for energy. One easy way to reduce your energy consumption at home is by using little dryer bowls. Thanks, Mom. Shbamides. They can reduce your drying times by up to 20%, especially in old washing machines. They also reduce static, and they eliminate the need for wasteful dryer sheets. In the summer, remember you can hang your clothes out to dry. That's even better. Become a tide changer. What else can you do in your house daily to reduce your energy, which reduces your carbon use and helps keep the ocean healthy and cool? To learn more, come visit me at the Nicholas Sontag Marine Education Center. See you next week.